Hi guys, I hope everybody is having a good day today. Hope everyone is having a good week. First of all, I want to thank everybody for your support. Thank you for taking the time out of your busy schedule to watch any of my video content. So I am excited for this new series of videos that will be coming out soon. I got to check out 4 cities, including New Delhi, Jaipur, Agra, and Varanasi. So before I start my India vlog series, I wanted to do one big video that highlights my entire time in India. So think of it as a trailer. My India vlogs that I'll be posting in the future.